Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Kindle not turning on and step-by-step guide for quick fixes. Number 1. Charge the device. Ensure your Kindle has enough battery by charging it for at least 30 minutes using the original charger and cable. Number 2. Hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 40 seconds to reset your Kindle. This can fix minor software glitches. Number 3. Check the power button. Ensure the power button is not stuck or malfunctioning. Try pressing firmly or using a different method to turn it on. Number 4. Screen issues. If the screen is black but the Kindle seems powered, try gently pressing on different areas of the screen to check for display issues. Number 5. Factory reset. If nothing works, consider performing a factory reset via the device settings menu if accessible. Thanks for watching.